I'm Ollie Pinch. I am the Business Engagement Manager working in Economic Development at Barnet Council. It's really important for Barnet to support its micro-business community. Our micro-businesses are the lifeblood of our economy. And with more micro-businesses in Barnet than almost any other outer London borough, they really are a massive part of everything that drives us. And also a large number of them are also our residents. So really you're talking about a huge number of local jobs for local people. And therefore making sure that those businesses are supported is a critical part of our economy. So Barnet Council offers quite a wide range of support for its business community. This includes stuff that's borough-wide, working with partners like Middlesex University and Barnet and Southgate College to offer skills training and support. It includes more sector-specific support, such as our construction supply chain. We're aware that there's a massive opportunity with a lot of investment coming into the borough through the new build and development that we've got. We want to make sure that our local businesses are benefiting from that invvestment is retained within the borough. So we're working closely with local business within that construction supply chain so that they can win more work from those developers and ultimately grow themselves as businesses. As well as that, we're also offering on-the-ground support on our high streets, places like Finchley Central, North Finchley, Burnt Oak and West Hendon, so that people are actually going into businesses, talking directly to business owners, finding out about their needs, their priorities, and then supporting them with one-to-one support and expert advice on things like sales and marketing and making the use of e-commerce tools and things like Instagram and social media as well. And lastly, we also are thinking about that earlier stage of businesses. Barnet's a really entrepreneurial borough with more than 4,000 new businesses created in 2020, which is actually a very typical year. We've got loads of entrepreneurial talent here in the borough, and we offer targeted entrepreneurial support to those people so they can realize their business ambitions, explore those ideas, and we do that throughout the year as well. There's lots of value that Barnet Council's and Middlesex's relationship has. Mostly that's because we're both important anchor points in Barnet, and we've got a shared interest in supporting the local economy. By working together, we can achieve much more than we can separately. And that's really important that local businesses, that local people see that link and that connection, and that we can achieve incredible programs like the Micro Business Growth Program. So we know this is an incredibly tough time for business, maybe tougher than ever before, with things like the cost of living crisis really hurting businesses. And therefore support programs like this with Middlesex University and our other partners is really important for businesses to help them through this time. Learning crucial skills like sales and marketing, business planning, decision making, it can feel like a nice to have, but actually it's really important that businesses take the opportunity to utilize this offer. It can help them get through these tough times. It can also then make sure that they're ready when the better times come through and they can utilize those skills that they've learned.